Hello friend, I'm Sangita. Welcome to another episode of Tipsify Sangita. Today I will show you a healthy dessert recipe, all sort of sweet and not harmful to the health. Today I will make a dessert which you can take maintain your diet. So check it out. Instead of thick coconut milk extracted at the first time, I will use the thin coconut milk extracted at second or third time. As you can see here, this milk density is low and it had been extracted in the second or third process. I will add in a bowl of pre-boiled sago or sabudana in the milk. Now I am adding pre-boiled moong dal to the milk. Then add some pink salt for good taste and give it a good mix. Now I am adding 2 tablespoons grated coconut. Now give them a proper and gentle mix. After that, I will add some molasses or gur to the mixture and stir them well to give it a good mix. Now I am using some elaichi. Elaichi gives us great aftertaste and sweet aroma. As garniture or as taste shifter, I am using some kaju kismis semi-roasted in a pan. Now add the thick coconut milk. You have to constantly stir it, otherwise it will stuck to the bottom of the pan. See, all the sago swells up pretty well. It's almost done. Now add some ghee to give it a good flavor. It smells so good. It's now ready. I am taking it out on a bowl. Add some kaju kismis to get a visual impact. It's mouth-watering, delicious and healthy. Moong Dal Payesh is ready. Its healthy benefits are high on protein, low on carb, easy to digest. Thanks for watching. For more video like this, please subscribe my channel. What do you think of this video? Let me know at the comment section.